All right, abusia. Say dear, chinye bia any home. Say ubia betia say Agya Wiase Mampong Samafo, aka Yesudia. Is one of the greatest men Asante Mampong. He witness and has experience in the past years. And then we should die for see we are single-handedly one on and a work dying 12 rooms and a what him 12 rooms. Now 12 rooms, it has a cell and a conference room and let me say reception immigration office. Jumedi bi a oba be die bia no baby a obetwen na wakwa kudie na owie no no owie yo osade a brand new pickup for the command. Wow na sene ye ka no Yakopon shire Agya Wiase me wonshira no ama wonu ahu ze urade wa shira na mana bro so because he never get tired of doing or giving back to ekura ofri mu ya Asante Mampong. Obehwe eye posi dan ya wasie mienu asem ene Mampong Asante North office Agya Wiase ya na sie nti de ba biem ena papa ibe ye ne wo ye ne nchenche kura de no de emaye de wo ye nkofo kuro so maye ba ye kan ne wo ye ne Mampong a oh it's incredible. It's incredible. Na eno dan fefe ye si wo yi a say ade ba ko ena aka ene honorable mutaka odi tudwa e kire se edan yi woni eye oruokujato ablakwa bedi nkomo ni ahwese dan yi betimi aye no passport office and as a passport center na edan yi abeye regional command odi si ye no a ena na Mampong hema so e de peace wo se no kure ni edan ne de se de passport center Mampong for any beje hon pa
na many ya honorable black was be kasa se be ya the passport processing center be ba o be your passport na so fi dem dey ha o bre enko komase o be du ha ya na wetina na wa ye na fefe na hima the demase the demo.
I was going to appeal to you to raise this particular beautiful edifice from a sector to a regional command, and lo and behold, we've done that. And I was also going to ask you to, if it's a way possible with the Minister for Foreign Affairs, to give us a passport center, a passport processing center in Mampong. But lo and behold, it's like your soothsayer. You got it all right before I had the opportunity to talk. So thank you very much. On behalf of the kingdom, we would like to say a very big thank you to the philanthropist, who happens to be my father, Agya Wiase. He should bless you beyond your imagination, and also extend your coast as much as you can ever imagine. Thank you very much. Madam Agya Wiase, and the Member of Parliament in Kasa became very well when we were opening the Asante Regional North Command of the Police Service just some few months ago, and the appeal came and forced him to build this beautiful edifice. And now he's done a lot. This is not the first one. We should all continue in our own little way to give back to our community. As he said, he loves to do it. And on behalf of the Paramountcy, thank you very much. You've made me a proud daughter today. Thank you.
So one of them is the reception. The deputy commander has an office here. Our detention room is here. This is a cell. It's a cell. Yes, please. Yes. So this is our cell. You can go inside. Yeah, we will put the burglar later when we are ready to use it. Yes, please. And two other offices and our washrooms here. Honorable. Yeah, so we can go to the top to just have a look at it. But there's a room here. Yes, it's an office. Okay. Yes. Honorable.
Yes, no.
Honorable. The rooms are furnished as well.
Oh, okay.
So all this furniture and the air conditions are all provided by Agya Wiase.
Yes.
Honorable, Your Honor, this room is fitted, furnished, to be used at his sector commander's office. Yeah, so he has.
So your new
regional commander's office. So he has his own washroom. But you are here to provide some, TV sets and all those kind of things. Yes, sir. This is the sector commander, future regional commander. Yes. Yes. Your Honor, so this is the mini conference room. But this room is supposed to accommodate minimum of 50 staff, if well, seated. So for now, we are within that range. When we become region, we will be more than that. Yeah. Then we will still, think about how to. Yes, Honor. Yes, Your Honor. Yes, sir.